Although the Redmi K20 Pro comes with a very decent case in the package, a lot of people have been wanting me to review other cases, and today we're going to review the Nillkin Frosted Shield. Hey, my name is Mitchell. Before we hop into this video, I want to thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. I'll have links to this product on all my affiliates in the description down below. It really goes a long way to supporting my channel. I can't keep doing this stuff without you guys. Also, I've been really active on Twitter, tweeting a lot about the day-to-day use and stuff like that with the Redmi K20 Pro. So if you're on Twitter, go ahead and let's connect on there. So if you're big into mobile photography, I have a new Instagram page called Xiaomi. Send me the photos that you want shared, and I will love to share them on that platform. You guys know the drill. You want to read some written content about this stuff, go ahead and check out my website. You guys want to connect on Telegram, hit the description down below, and let's just hop into this. Now, the case that the Redmi K20 Pro comes with is a very minimalistic case. Basically, it's just there to protect the phone from getting some kind of minor scratches. And that's kind of what this Nillkin Frosted Shield builds on. There isn't a lot of protection for the device, and we'll slip it in right now. There's no lay on the table design in regards to the lip of it. So if you're the kind of person that likes to put their phone face down on the table, this isn't the case for you. There is great cutouts for all of the buttons, and the buttons still retain their very clicky and tactile feel, which I like. There is a cutout for the headphone jack as well as the microphone port, obviously a cutout for the pop-up camera, and the proper cutouts on the bottom. Now, some cases that I have here, which I'll be doing more reviews on, have issues with the case getting in the way of the selfie camera in pictures, and this one has no issues. So if you're a selfie taker, this might be the best case option for you. Overall, at under $7 or under $8, I think this case is, do I think it's a good buy? Yes, if you're only looking to protect the device from scratches and add more grip. If you're actually looking to protect it from falling on the ground or, impact, this isn't really going to do anything. Just purely for saving the device cosmetically, adding a little bit of texture to it, and overall it does a good job of doing that. If you guys want to buy this case, I'll have links to it down in the description with all of my affiliates. If you guys want to check out some more videos about case reviews, hit the subscribe button because I'll be doing them all this week. If you guys want to watch something about the K20 Pro, click this playlist over here. You want to watch something about the Redmi AirDots, click over here, and I'll have more playlists linked down below. Till next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. See you soon.